Here is the Model 561 pneumatic Carton stapler from Josef Kihlberg. This Carton stapler is ideally suited for the fast closing of boxes in a moderate volume production environment. First, load the stapler by placing the 5/8 inch staples into the magazine as shown here. Next, connect the pneumatic line from your air compressor into the stapler as seen. Finally, press the stapler firmly against the box bottom and staple in at least 4 locations. The staple closure produced is of industrial strength and consistency, ideal for small or medium-sized businesses.